Imagine this. The little light on your dashboard turns orange. Your car is hungry. You need to find a place to stop. Do you know what to say when you pull up to the pump? Today, we are going to fuel up your vocabulary. This is the Challengue 3 of English shadowing practice for one of the most common errands in the world. By the end of this episode, you will speak English naturally while handling your car's needs. Let's fill the tank.
Learn, Speak, English, the podcast.
Hi, I'm Thomas and you are listening to the Learn, Speak English podcast. Whether you are on a long road trip or just driving to work, the gas station is a place we all visit. For our beginners learners today, remember, shadowing is about imitation. Listen to my tone, my speed, and my pauses. Then repeat them exactly like I do. Don't just listen. Speak with me. If you are ready to power up your daily English practice, let's get started. We will start with the basic actions at the station. Remember, listen first, then repeat. My tank is empty. My tank is empty. I see a gas station. I see a gas station. I pull up to the pump. I pull up to the pump. I turn off the engine. I turn off the engine. I open the fuel door. I open the fuel door. I need regular gas. I need regular gas. I pick up the nozzle. I pick up the nozzle. I put it in the car. I put it in the car. Let's stop for a second. Tell me in the comments, how often do you put gas in your car? Once a week? Twice a month? I usually go to the gas station once a month because I don't usually use the car every day, since I go to work by public transport. What about you? Let me know. Now let's add more detail. We will use longer sentences to improve your pronunciation and learn how to pay. Listen and repeat. I need to fill it up with unleaded fuel. I need to fill it up with unleaded fuel. I insert my credit card into the machine. I insert my credit card into the machine. I enter my zip code on the screen. I enter my zip code on the screen. I wait for the tank to be full. I wait for the tank to be full. The pump stops automatically when it is finished. The pump stops automatically when it is finished. I put the nozzle back and close the cap. I put the nozzle back and close the cap. I ask the attendant for a receipt. I ask the attendant for a receipt. You are doing great. Notice how fill it up sounds like one word. Fill it up. That is the secret to sounding like a native speaker. Let's combine these steps into a short story. I will read it twice, once slowly for accuracy, and once at a normal pace for fluency. Version 1. Slow and clear. I am driving on the highway and I notice the fuel light is on. I pull into the nearest gas station. I park next to pump number 5. I get out of the car and swipe my card. I choose regular gas and start the pump. While I wait, I clean my windshield with the squeegee. When the tank is full, I grab my receipt and get back on the road. Now I have a full tank of gas. Let's do now the version 2 in natural speed. I am driving on the highway and I notice the fuel light is on. I pull into the nearest gas station. I park next to pump number 5. I get out of the car and swipe my card. I choose regular gas and start the pump. While I wait, I clean my windshield with the squeegee. When the tank is full, I grab my receipt and get back on the road. Now I have a full tank of gas. Well done. To make this practice more useful, remember to pause the audio and take your time to repeat the whole story. First at a slow speed and when you are ready at a faster speed. Listening and repeating is the best way to train your mouth and brain to get the best results in learning English. And now, before continuing, take a moment and share with us. Do you like to buy snacks or coffee when you go to the gas station? I always buy a bottle of water. You are doing an incredible job. Let's use some affirmations to keep your energy high. Listen and repeat this motivational phrases. I am not afraid to speak. I can handle daily tasks in English. I am learning useful words. My voice is clear and strong. I am a confident English speaker. Every day I get better. Great! If you repeat these phrases out loud, you are taking control of your learning. Fantastic work today. You successfully completed another 10-minute English shadowing practice. You now have the vocabulary to fill up your tank and talk about it in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use these words the next time you are at the pump. Thank you for being part of the Learn Speak English podcast. I'm Thomas, and I am so happy to be your guide. Keep speaking, keep driving toward your goals, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.